Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Tuesday, December 2nd. Well, we'll start as usual, Bitcoin on daily, and we'll go from there. Yeah, remember that today it's free for everyone, so this live stream is for public. Actually, this live stream is public anyway. In half an hour after I finish this one, Stefan will do day trading with Stefan for public, which is a VIP session made on YouTube for everyone. And in the New York session, we have the New York session live stream made free for all the Discord members. Yeah? Morning, everyone. Let's start. Well, CME is kind of in the same place. We did a dead cat bounce and we dumped, and we are trying to do something here. We are trying to make a W. I don't know if we'll succeed or not. It's not up to me. But I saw the market respecting the fib and at least trying to make a nice bounce here. As usual, if you look on daily, some people say, well, you don't get enough information from daily. Well, you get some. Candle body lows for trade location. Look at it. If you see a confluence with fib, that's your location to think long. You know, was a good idea. No bullish divergence yet. No W yet on daily, so we still need to wait for daily to give us a clear setup. If you are a swing trader, I think you can stay on 4-hour chart if you want to, I don't know, front run daily time frame. So let's see what you will get this week. December usually is not bearish. In my experience, December it's a nice month. I don't know exactly for Bitcoin, but some altcoins will definitely pump this month. Now, the other chart, the other template, you know what I did here. This is the potential W. You can see up, down, back in the long reload zone. You saw that. And now let's see if we'll get this leg up to confirm the W. If we have that, then we can say we have a double bottom. Then we can say, well, let's find the target to the upside, and we can have a daily long. Similar here. Ethereum a bit weaker than Bitcoin for the moment. A bit weaker. You can see the bounce is pathetic here. It's just let's like doesn't want to bounce. But I activated my dollar cost average plan again. I said I'll buy dollar cost average below 2.8, and I get a chance, even the second chance to dollar cost average here. And yesterday I got another chance. Let's see if it will give me more. For the moment, we are sitting exactly at that level. My plan is to dollar cost average below 2.8 and above 2.5. I'm not saying that, okay, I'll not dollar cost average if you accept below 2.5, but this is my area for the moment. So, if you want to wait Ethereum at $500, it's your business. I'm dollar cost averaging back in my position because I already sold half on a double. Okay, this is the same template, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. As you can see here, no W. We are tagging the trend line from the other side. We are even trying to get back in the trend channel. No W, no trade on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. And if Ethereum is underperforming, I don't think most of the altcoins will outperform Bitcoin for the moment. Some altcoins, they'll definitely do that, but I don't know. 0.01% from them, they'll outperform Bitcoin. So we cannot say, well, we have an altcoin season. No, not for the moment. Dominance is trying to push back and retest 60%. Nothing unusual here. Fighting 60% is not bad. We discussed multiple times that I want to be a buyer of altcoins here and a seller of altcoins at 45-40%. For the moment, you can see 60% is the area we have. Now, I want to sell my shitcoins in this area here. I'll think about selling my shitcoins here when the dominance will be here. Okay, let's go back on daily. Yes, in the short reload zone, fighting again and again that weekly uptrend line. Don't FOMO in here. You didn't like it here and you like it here in the short reload zone? Well, it's up to you. I'm not a trader of traditional market for the moment. So I'm trading crypto and that's it. But I use this one for confluence. And when I see short reload zone, I see here some resistance. I don't think it's a good idea to long. Gold range, like we said, it's in the short reload zone if you consider swing high, swing low. Again, not the best idea to be a buyer here in this area. We had our chance here. Silver was outperforming and is still outperforming everything you see. Above the all-time high, pushing higher and higher. It's a good idea to chase here? I don't think so. If you want to take some profit off from this trade, it's already at, what is now? 7R. It's your business. I made it risk free and I intend to keep it for longer. But that's me because I have a different plan. After you took the trade and we hit 2 to 1, I'm not micromanaging the trade for you. It's up to you. I'll keep it. That's my decision. Total market cap in the same location like yesterday. Nothing changed. Hopefully we'll make a double here. Similar on total 3. So overview from yesterday, not too many things changed. Bitcoin is looking a bit better here. You can see up, down, we dumped here. Okay. And we are staying here. We have a hope, or we can think about this W to be formed and we can anticipate this W. Morning, Jake. Morning, Manuel. Morning. Yeah, it's December, people. December usually is nice. We'll see. Okay. That's the overview. Let's go on lower time frame and see what we have. Bitcoin. Well, you remember in the weekend, a stupid trader told you that tightening of the Bollinger Bands is usually is translated with a violent move after that. Well, we had that violent move. We even had the lonely officer here. You can see it? Okay, it closed back. This is a nice trade. Was there? Was obvious? Yes. Anyone thought about the lonely officer here? Well, not too many people. The setup was there. Okay. Now, what I took? Well, I took something else. Similar with what you see there. I use that for confluence. If I'll go on 5-minute chart, my entry was this one here. This first W here, this was my entry. Then I posted this bigger one on 50-minute chart. Hopefully we'll get a retest. Well, no retest for the moment. No retest for the moment. What do we have now on, let's say, on daily chart? What we can draw now on daily chart is pretty simple and obvious for us. The problem is, okay, what is this? Well, this is Monday. We can do something like this, people. Because that's the Monday high, unfortunately. There you go. And you have your Monday range. I'll do the same for Ethereum because I'm on daily and it's easier to do that without... and we'll talk about Ethereum later. Come on. Something like this. Okay. So now when you zoom in on 1 hour, you'll see the Monday range. Look how nice it is. It's a good idea for us to take a trade in the middle of the Monday range. Can someone tell me if it's a good idea to open a position in the middle of a range? I don't think so. So, you have the Monday high. Maybe we'll push all the way up there. Okay, I'll enjoy my profit here. Maybe, let's say, well, it's Tuesday, Paul. We should retest one of them. Well, if we retest the Monday low, for example, on SFUD's low, then I could think about a long. So, playing the Monday range is pretty easy. Try to short here, try to long here, don't do nothing here. Come on, doesn't get easier than that. Actually, you should do something here if you short here or if you bought here. I don't see a new setup for the moment. I was hoping, I posted this one after I took it. I took it a bit lower. I posted the 50-minute W here, hoping that will get a retest. No, so we should wait. What we did here, you can see. We dumped and we pumped and we took this one. And we closed above that high. Well, now we can do on lower time frame. Stefan will show you that in a minute after I finish this live stream. Well, you can do something like this. If you get a retest of 85, that could be really nice. Confluence with this initial W. It's up to you. I don't want to go on a lower time frame anymore on the public live streams. It's dangerous for beginners. They will do stupid things. I don't want to do it. Well, on Ethereum, on 1 hour, you can see this is the previous Monday range. This is this Monday range. Kind of similar, a bit wider, but in the same place. You can see middle. It's in the same place. What we can do here? Well, I'm not chasing here. Looking left, looking here. No, I'm not chasing. But if I'll get a W in the long reload zone, the market will come back down and do a W. I could take a trade on 1 hour or 4 hour chart. If I want to be even sharper than that, I want 50-minute chart, then I'll do something like this. And if I look left, and if I look here, well, that's a nice location. Here, I don't want to open a trade. It's not a good area to short. It's not a good area to long. Let's wait. Now we have the Monday high. Now we have the Monday low. Now we know where the middle of the range is. We have a bounce, and if we consider this bounce is real and the market will reverse in December and will reverse this week, well, let's wait for a retracement here to maybe get a nice position. Okay, that's Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'll take a look on 4 hour chart on some shitcoins, but let's put the entire template for shitcoins. Similar here. Not the best, but look at 4 hour lonely officer here. What's okay, shitcoins. Look at this. We made money on this, we lost money on this. Now we should delete these ones. And I should remove this one from green because it's not green anymore. It's making new lows. We have any W? No. If we don't have any W, we don't trade. This is not valid anymore. This is valid, and that's it. Okay? So, give me 4 hour Ws, and we'll get 4 hour Ws soon enough. Wait for those 4 hour Ws and try to play along. But anticipating a W or catching falling knives, I don't think it's a good idea. Bless. Similar. Is this fib valid? No. We lost the low. No, thank you. We'll do a 4 hour W here. Okay. We have location anyway because we are at the lows. It's this one with green anymore? No. Blue AI. This was a fake out. I took the stop loss. I'm out. Nothing I can do here. I should wait for a 4 hour W. I took the loss, was 1% for me. It's painful, it's trading, it's normal, it's our best friend saving our ass. This one is still in play. I can do something here? No, I'll just let the trade play itself out. It's a bit stronger than the rest. We should respect that and let the trade play itself. How many people still have this trade? Not too many, I could bet on that. Oh, good morning, Mr. Bukor. Nice to see you, man. Is this long reload zone still valid? Well, yes, we didn't lose the low. Is this trade still valid? No, we hit our stop loss. Next bus. What we can do here? Well, either an SFU, either a W. Patience, hunt. Now this one should not agree with green, should be with yellow. Look at this one. Those who want to die, and that's it. Wants to leave, it's back at entry. Retested the previous W. Either you are already risk free, I don't think we had 1-to-1, or you are at the break even anyway. Will pump? Well, I'll be more than happy to hold this one. This one you can see here, they stopped us out and now it's pumping. You can take this for our W. Let's delete this one. You can take this for our W for a trade. Well, if you are a higher time frame trader, why not? Look at daily. We are at the POC here. Not the best location. I think we can wait for a better, a smaller W there. But I don't have the trade anymore. Trader, look at this one, people. I saw it yesterday when was dumping because I took more than 70% profit on the way up. But all of the sudden I just saw something. And in one candle they destroyed everything we built from 25 November. Up. Someone said, well, market dump. And they dumped. And now we are back in the original place. I cannot be upset like I said yesterday on this one. I made money. This is nice pump and nice dump. We still have the trade. Well, my idea of trailing is not moving the stop loss higher and higher. I just take some profit off. I take more profit off and I don't fuck around it. I still have 20% of this trade. I don't think it's a good idea, but why I should close the trade now? What's the advantage to fuck around? I'll let it there. 20% is still there. If you are not in this trade or you don't have this trade anymore, which is probable, wait for the next 4-hour W. But keep in mind that after a pump in a dump, market is not going all the way up in the next candle. No, it's consolidating for a long period of time. Plasma stop us out. And if we zoom out, you can see we had the same Bollinger Bands. Is making new lows. Well, give me 4-hour Ws. Give me 4-hour Ws and I'll be more than happy to take another shot. For the moment, we don't have 4-hour Ws. We can continue the dollar cost average. You can see the buy orders here. Let me zoom out a little bit. You see, buying. I don't have a problem dollar cost average all the way down, but no setup. No setup here. No setup here for the moment. This one looks nice. Maybe we'll form a 4-hour W, maybe even a daily W, and that could be nice. Let's watch it. This one is underwater. Nothing I can do. You wait for the next W if you want to play something like that. I believe in Plasma? Why I should believe? I don't believe in any shitcoin. I'm dollar cost averaging until I'll get my desired position. Why I should believe on Plasma? I don't know. I'm respecting the plan, man. I'm not believing or not believing in a shitcoin. If it's good enough for me to put it in my plan and buy a position, I'll buy the position and that's it. And dollar cost average for me means slow accumulation. and I know how to do it to drag my price down, even if I started early, my average on that one will be really low, and I have patience for that one to reverse. Simple as that. So this one we talked about, this one we talked about. Wait for a new 4-hour W, maybe an SFU, maybe a W. Here we can form a W, but wait for that W. You can see if we'll hold this level, and without a 4-hour W, I don't want to see anyone catching falling knives. This is done. I don't know what's a day trade, probably. Mr. Jiggle, pump and dump. 78.6. Good location, like almost everywhere. Good location, but no W yet. We had some Ws. If you took this small W, if you took the big W, you made some money. Now you should wait for the next one. This one has a W, but it's up to you. It's making new lows here, but this is a W. It's forming a W here. And should close my short on Zek, man? No. I'm not touching Zek on the long side for the moment. If we'll go all the way down to original place and it'll give me another weekly W, maybe. Until then, no. Good location here, nothing. Good location. Let's put the entire template. Similar. You can see location-wise, really nice. Indicators, probably some bullish divergence on some of them. Structure, not too many. You can see this one is trying to make a 4-hour W. Okay, if we'll do the W, then we can think about. No W here. Monad, everyone was talking about Monad, and I said don't touch it. Well, we pumped, we dumped, we pumped, and we SFU'd, and now we are consolidating. And from now on, let it consolidate a little bit more, and if it will give me a setup, maybe I'll think about it. But I ignored all the noise we had here. Well, I could scan the rest of them just to see if it's something else. I should modify the list. So no W here, no here, no, no. Nice location everywhere, like I said. Aster. Everyone was talking about Aster. Well, it's strong and will do. And I said, wait to come back down to Papa. Come to Papa at 90 cents. Why? This is the buying level from CZ posted publicly. Probably his average is a lot lower. Definitely a lot lower. But at least retest $1. And now we're retesting $1. I have a setup here? No. Look at it. No W. No. No. Nice location everywhere. Almost everywhere. You want 10x. You want 5 or 10R. You want to make a lot of money. But when you see altcoins at the bottom trying to form some Ws, you are not paying attention. Well, something is off here. I want to make money. I want to get a big risk to reward. So I'm paying attention at the bottom. Because I'm making money if I'll get a position at the right place. And the market starts pumping and I have a big position size and I know how to trail and the market will keep pumping. In one trade I can make a lot of money. Not because I put a lot of risk on the trade. No, I'm not exceeding 1%. Just because I got in the right place, I have the correct position size, and the market is going in my direction, and I'm not closing the trade too early. It's a lot better than putting more size and more risk in the wrong place. If you want to learn this, to trade this way, okay. If you want to do it as usual, well, put a lot of size in the middle of the range or at the top, be my guest. So location, yeah, almost everything has location. But I don't see anything else. I see some potential W's on some of them, but potential is potential until it's not confirmed. No. If you have requests, I suggest you to wait until Stefan will start live streaming and ask Stefan about the lower time frame. No. Almost everything looks exactly the same. But don't ignore this location, people. Will take, I don't know, maybe 1 day or 2 days. Will take weeks until we'll form those W's. I don't know. I don't know that. I'll just wait. Short? No. Shorting altcoins? No, thank you. Okay. Stefan will start the live stream as you see on the chat in 15-20 minutes. You can ask him about the lower time frame. I'll let him do this thing today. I'm blabbing away from Monday to Friday for the public. So when you get Stefan Tuesdays, go and ask him all the requests. Bug him about all the shitcoins possible and impossible. Well, you can apply for Discord, but Discord is private and closed 99% of the time. No? So, if you asked to join Discord and you got rejected, accept that you're not in the Discord, and that's it. Stay on Twitter. It's a private and I don't know, closed community. Some people manage to get in, most of them no. We got the server public for until we got to 2,000 members. Now it's private. It's not easy to get in, that's for sure. I saw someone posting, well, we are doing this intentionally to create some hype. I'm not creating hype. I'm not creating anything. I'm just keeping the community clean, safe, and small. I want to increase community in value, not in numbers. So I think I'm posting some ideas on Discord if you follow me, or if you follow Crypto Traders Arena account, or if you follow Stefan. Stefan is posting a lot more than me. So you get some value being a Twitter member of Crypto Traders Arena. Discord is private and, like I said, closed. Yeah, I accept some people, but probably 20% from the requests we get. I don't know if even 20%. So don't be upset. Well, I got rejected, because that's majority will not be accepted anymore. Okay, yeah, Stefan is posting a lot of quality content on X. I post some ideas on X, some setups. I'm not posting exactly like on Discord, but imagine you're a member of X and you participate in the daily crypto plan on YouTube. I think you get a lot of value. You can go and participate in someone else's premium Discord and you don't get the same value. So appreciate what you have. Some people want VIP. Well, VIP is open now, but I don't know how many places. I think we have 5 places still open for VIP. It's a closed community. We have some max numbers we don't want to exceed. For us is a lot better that way. Peace, quiet, nice environment to trade. We don't intend to become influencers. Stefan is playing the influencer game on X from time to time, but we enjoy ourselves, people. We prefer to trade and teach some community members how to trade with us. Someone asked me yesterday, well, you have programs, and yeah, we educate our people. I'm not going in public and pretending that that program will help you. No, 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 no. You have to be a member of Discord for some time, and you have to request, and you have to be accepted in that program. It's not for public. We don't play that game. Okay? Okay, people. So, we talked about the overview. We did a review of what we have here and where we are. We have Monday high, Monday low. We are exactly in the middle. Usually Tuesday in the London we are here. I don't know if you noticed. I have it in my journal. Usually when we open the London session, the Bitcoin is exactly in the middle of the range and nothing you can do. But in the week we'll move up, down, and we'll get some setups. Okay? Okay, if you are in Discord and you want to join VIP, DM Stefan. Find out if Stefan will accept you in VIP. If you want to join Capo 1, half of the places are already booked. So, 10 more places for Capo 1. Capo 2, we didn't open yet. We'll open, no, soon enough. Okay? Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. And let's wait for Stefan to post the link. See you in the next live stream. I'll be in the chat. See you.